Abere ye come. Abere ye ya. Abere ye ya. Aworo ye come. Aworo. Kakana ye joje ye ya. Ana bere ye. Kakana ye joje ye ya. Ana wore ye ya. Kakana ye joje ye do. Ina wore ye. Kakana ye joje ye go. Ina wore ye. Kakana ye joje ye da. Ana bere ye. Kakana ye jowore ye go. Ana wore ye ba. Kakana ye jowore ye da. Ana wore ye. Johnny ana wore ye go. Johnny ana wore ye gire. Johnny ana wore ye go. Jowa ana wore ye gire. Johnny ana wore ye go. Yesu je wore ye. What good no come down? What good no jowa? Bere ye come. Inna bere ye be. Bere ye come. Inna bere ye ya. Bere ye ya. Inna bere ye ya. What good no come? Anna what good no be. A bere ye come. Anna bere ye ya. A worry ye ya. Anna worry ye ya. A worry ye ya. Anna worry ye come. Kakana ye worry ye da. Anna worry ye. Kakana ye worry ye da. Anna what good no. Kakana ye bere ye da. Anna bere ye. Kakana ye bere ye da. Anna bere ye. Kakana ye shemi ye da. Anna shemi ye. Kakana ye mari ye da. Anna mari ye. Johnny Anna mari ye ya. Johnny Anna mari ye go. Johnny Anna mari ye go pa. Johnny Anna mari ye go pa. Johnny Anna shemi ye da. Johnny Anna shemi ye da. Go ahead.
Period. When Jesus dies and rose from the grave, he did this so that we may have life and have it in its fullness. But then the question says, do you love me? Would you stand for me irrespective of your circumstances? In Mark chapter 14, we read through when Peter, who loved Jesus so much, who in today we call a bad day to Jesus, he comes and he's warming himself. And the young girl comes and says, Peter, you are one of them. You are, meaning he says, you are the one who loves Jesus. And Peter says, no, I don't know him. And the second time, another chance comes, and this young girl comes and says, do you know Jesus? And Peter denies Jesus. Today, if that question was posed to you, do you know Jesus? Do you still love Jesus? What would be the answer? Would it be yes or no? Irrespective of the circumstances of what we go through, sometimes we deny Christ and we want to choose an alternative. Maybe we want to see other people can help us. But let's stand for Christ and say, yes, you are the King of Kings and the Lord of Lords. God bless you so much.
Kakana yeju wari yeda anwa pekuno. Kakana yeju wari yego anwa pekuno. Kakana yeju wari yego anwa pekuno. Ujoni anwa pekuno komda. Gloria ilwe pekuno komda. Gloria anene kuno komda. Wini anene kuno komjani. Wini anene kuno jani. Jowa anene kuno komda. Mati anene kuno komjani. Aine anene kuno jani. Brenda anene kuno komda. Brenda anene kuno komjani. Samuel anene kuno jani. Samuel anene kuno komjani. Solomon anene kuno komjani. Solo anene kuno jani. James anene kuno jani. Kingwe anene kuno jani. Joseph anene kuno komjani. Joseph anene kuno jani. Judith anene kuno jani. Judith anene kuno jani. Oh, anene kuno jani. Okochi anene kuno jani. Okochi anene kuno komjani. Kakana yeju wari yeda wanu pekuno. Wanu pekuno.